Sanibonani, this is Utumi Mutsuning, known as Gogo Skhotheni. I'm officially making this video to announce that I am no longer a traditional healer. I am no longer a Sangoma. I'm no longer practicing as a Sangoma. I'm no longer doing consultations. I'm no longer giving out isidliso. I'm no longer giving out imbiza, yonke nje lento. I'm no longer doing it. However, I'll forever acknowledge and respect my ancestors, and I'll forever believe in my ancestors, and I am a child of God. Yes, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I'm very much happy. I wish I could sing. I wish I could do so much, but yeah, my heart is full. Wangethula umthwalo owawungisinda, wangethula umthwalo ngomthandazo wami, uvalo lwami lwaphela lwavusa umoya wami, langethula umthwalo wangishiya ngequlo. I hope the song says it all. Mwah, ngimthanda. Mwah, mwah.